Girl, listen, I was in the store and I saw a top like this, right? Similar in style. And it was for $18. And I was like, $18 could buy me a whole meal. So let's just learn how to make the shirt. Yeah. Spring is here, summer is around the corner, but because summer is approaching, that does not mean I need to break the bank, okay? So we're gonna make this top. Now you just have to start out with an old shirt as per usual. I've had this shirt for like 3 years. It is dingy. There's a spot on the back, so we need to switch that, okay? Now you could start with a rotary cutter or scissors. Technically, I'll be using both for this video, but the main tool that I'll be using is the rotary cutter. For the first step, just cut straight across. That is a first step. Believe me, the shirt only took 10 minutes to make. It's really easy, okay? Then we're just gonna separate that. And next we are going to make the straps. For the straps, the same exact thing. With the leftover fabric, we're gonna make the straps, just cut right across. And there you have it. The next few steps are very simple. You're gonna look at me like, girl, are you serious? Yeah, it's that easy. I was struggling, but for the straps, now that we have it separated, we're gonna cut both ends off. So instead of being one piece, we now have 2 pieces. Next, I'm just going to try to align everything the way I'd like it to. I suggest doing a measurement or placement test before finalizing the straps to the base of the shirt, but I like to just wing it. I just said, however it comes out, I'm going to wear it regardless. But this part, I decided to do an X instead of just having the straps go straight to the back. This part is optional. I'm just going to put the straps behind the fabric and use my needle and thread to put the straps together. If you're using a needle and thread, make sure to secure the end by making a little knot, just as I did right here. And just sew and secure, and technically your shirt is done. If you don't have a needle and thread, feel free to use fabric glue or a fabric adhesive. I'm going to flip the top and do the same steps as I did to the front. Just secure all 4 sections of the straps. Also, do not forget to tie another knot at the end of each stitch once you're done securing your straps, just to make sure they don't unravel. And that is it for this tutorial. I told you it was simple. It only took me 10 minutes to make this top. And someone did make a request for me to make a cutout dress. I will try my best to get to that video as soon as possible. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do not forget to like and share this video. Put some comments down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thank you for watching and see you soon.